Prince Andrew's royal crisis deepens, and now a new scandal threatens everything. What if the royal scandal everyone thought was fading is actually just getting started? Because behind palace doors, things may be getting even more complicated for Prince Andrew. Over the past few months, reports suggest tensions inside the royal family have been quietly building. While the public sees brief glimpses, like walks or rare appearances, people are saying there's a much deeper struggle happening behind the scenes. And now, with new media projects and ongoing attention, this story might be far from over. To understand what's really going on, we need to step back. Prince Andrew, once a high-profile member of the British royal family, has faced years of controversy. While he has denied any wrongdoing, his public role has been significantly reduced. His older brother, King Charles III, has reportedly encouraged him to maintain a low profile, staying away from public attention as much as possible. But that hasn't been easy. According to various reports, Andrew has struggled with this new reality. After decades in the spotlight, stepping away completely is not something he appears comfortable with. And that's where the tension begins. Recently, people have noticed that Andrew is still being seen in public, walking, driving, and going about his daily life. On the surface, that might seem normal. But some believe this goes against the quiet approach expected from him. There have even been claims of individuals trying to get closer to his private residence, possibly attempting to capture photos or gather information. At the same time, reports suggest he's feeling increasingly isolated. Living away from central royal life, Andrew is said to feel cut off from both public engagement and personal connections. However, not everyone has distanced themselves. Family members like Prince Edward and Princess Anne have reportedly visited him, offering some level of support. Still, support from a few may not be enough to solve a much bigger problem. Here's where things take an unexpected turn. According to insiders, Andrew may have been hoping for a half-in, half-out arrangement with royal life. In simple terms, he reportedly wanted a compromise, perhaps keeping a smaller residence closer to royal grounds while spending most of his time away. But this idea may not have been welcomed. Reports suggest that Prince William prefers a much clearer separation. Some believe William's position is simple: distance protects the monarchy. From that perspective, keeping Andrew out of the spotlight entirely could reduce ongoing scrutiny. But Andrew may see it very differently. Some say he believes that disappearing from public view might make him look worse, not better. And that creates a serious dilemma. Stay visible and face criticism. Disappear and fuel suspicion. Either way, the pressure continues to build. But just when it seemed things couldn't get more complicated, a new development entered the picture. Media attention is rising again. There are now discussions about potential documentaries and dramatized series focusing on Andrew's story, similar to past high-profile cases that captured global audiences. And this is where it becomes even more sensitive. Names like Jeffrey Epstein continue to resurface in public conversations, even though Andrew has consistently denied wrongdoing. At the same time, media figures such as Hugh Edwards have recently been making headlines for their own reasons, adding even more attention to the broader media environment. What does this mean? It means the spotlight isn't fading, it's expanding. And for the royal family, that's a major concern. Because once a story gains traction in television and streaming, it often reaches an even bigger global audience. So what's really going on here? There are a few different ways to look at it. Some believe the royal family is simply trying to protect its long-term reputation, especially under the future leadership of Prince William. Others think Andrew is struggling with the sudden shift from public figure to private individual. And then there's a third perspective. Some people are saying this situation highlights a bigger issue: how modern media keeps stories alive, even years after they first emerge. In today's world, silence doesn't always end a story. Sometimes it keeps it alive. So what do you think? Should Prince Andrew stay completely out of the public eye? Or is trying to return, even partially, the right move? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. One thing is clear: this situation is far from over. With ongoing attention, possible new media projects, and internal royal tensions, the future for Prince Andrew remains uncertain. And as the story continues to evolve, the world will be watching. If you enjoy deep, dramatic breakdowns like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more royal stories and celebrity controversies.